Do you ever encounter clients that want to plead guilty? Do you recommend that someone pleads guilty in a domestic violence case? Attorney Thomas Tooley explains, if you plead guilty, there has to be a reason. If you go to court and go to trial, there has to be a reason. Some people want to go in there and admit they did something wrong. We apologize in court. That may be the best approach, particularly after we have the district attorney on board to recommend probation and to stay out of trouble. Sometimes we get better offers. I would hold off and see what the district attorney is going to do first. Sometimes people go and represent themselves. They say, well, the prosecutor was nice. He said if I plead guilty to this charge, he'd drop that charge, and I did it, and that seemed pretty fair. Then he was asking for a year in jail. He didn't tell me he was going to do that. Oftentimes, I tell people not to plead guilty until we know up front exactly what can transpire. You may have defenses. You may have a case where you need to fight the charges. I tell people to go to trial if they have a fightable case or if they have nothing to lose. If they're charged with a crime and they're looking at years in prison, they may feel like, what do I have to lose? I'm not just going to admit it. They have to prove it. For more information and a free phone consultation, contact attorney Thomas Tooley at 877-541-5296 or visit him on the web at TooleyLawDenver.com.